Can you talk a little bit about the AI aspect of your business model and how that differentiates itself and how that adds value to your customers?
Yeah, so there are two kind of distinct parts or distinct areas where we apply AI. One is on the diligence on documents and verifying loans. Now, that is something that has been there with Intain since Intain started. So that precedes all Gen AI and ChatGPT and LLMs, etc. We were doing it with proprietary models. Now we have adopted some of these Gen AI models. There, the belief is that you take the loan docs, you take the loan data, instead of doing this 5-10% sampling, at a fraction of the cost, review 100% of the docs, get them certified by an actual custodian. So it's not competing with custodians or verification agents, get it certified, and then record that on a digital ledger. So people would have heard of non-fungible tokens or NFTs in context of paintings, that the uniqueness of paintings established. We bring that technology to record a loan. So an immutable, auditable, and unique record of each loan, which has been verified through AI and certified by a custodian bank. So that's one usage. Second is on the data side, and this is something that has come in vogue in last couple of years with all these LLMs and agents, etc. There, everybody knows about agents, so you give them a task and they will do a task for you. So, for example, you have a junior analyst in your structured finance team. There are a lot of people who are trying to get agents do some of those tasks. There, our advantage is because the moment we take servicer data for a particular asset class, we get that standardized into a master template. Now, this is again, in a way, serendipity, because when we started Intain 2018, 2019, the European regulators, ESMA, kind of imposed specific templates for each asset class. We wanted to build a software which had specific templates for each asset class. So we very shamelessly borrowed what the regulators in Europe had imposed, added a few things customized for US, which is why we are by default ESMA compliant in Europe, US as well. So now when I launch an AI agent, my AI agent, which we call IDA, she knows that for this asset class, I will always see data in a specific syntax, which for most of our competitors, the messiness of the data, they are trying to compensate through the intelligence of the AI engine, right? So in a way, we are providing an AI agent to do a lot of your data tasks, which at some point in time may make our own solutions redundant. Because why do you need graphs and charts if you can just ask the AI agent? And we can get into details of what happens behind the AI agent. And IDA also then does all your document-related tasks. So you want to compare documents, you want to look at indenture again, you want to check the clause in an indenture with an amendment. So it is trained specifically on structured finance data and documents to do all tasks that any assistant would be required to do.
Sure. So you're hitting cash flow analysis, accounting management, finance management, all these kind of, logical segments within a company that, and many derivatives of those that I'm sure I haven't touched, all emanating from, a common database, speaking from the same data that you've ingested as step one. And your AI lays on top of that, as you articulated very clearly, that you've eliminated by normalizing the data from which the AI is working on top of, you've eliminated the variability that the AI needs to contend with, and that makes your AI that much more efficient and more effective, certainly as you train on something that has a lot less variability to it. So I understand that should prove to be advantageous relative to different types of approaches.